Hey guys, so do you enjoy the game Cooking Madness? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get a Cooking Madness modded version. So as you can see, I'm broke. But when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited currency. So yeah, unlimited diamonds. So I'm going to turn it up and then it will go up. So let's see if it increases. So as you can see, this is the amount right now. So let's see if it goes up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So yo, look at that, actually works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get straight into the video. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download the Cooking Madness modded version. So just go over to this website, which is called tweakmod.com. So type Cooking Madness, press install. So before this downloads, right, it's going to be a verification. So basically you got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely free, guys, from official app store, and then you will have the mod on your device. So as you can see, it's downloading right now. So let's just give it a second to load up just so you guys can see. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm just gonna let it load. All right. So at the end, it's gonna say like missing files. So you just want to download like some of these apps. These are like the missing files. So as you can see, it says Travel Town, which says like reach level 9. So I just go continue, and I gotta play this until I'm like level 9. So yeah, you just want to make sure you do like 2 of these, and then you should get the Cooking Madness mod on your device. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to like subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Cooking Madness hack videos. But yeah, this is super awesome.